Hello everyone. Myself Dr. K. Balamurali Krishna, Department of Chemistry, Acharya Nagarjuna University. Today I discuss about the topic of acid-base titrations. What is meant by acid-base titration? Acid reacts with base to convert into corresponding salts. Acid-base titrations are classified into 4 categories. First one, strong acid, strong base. Second one, strong acid, weak base. Third one, weak acid, strong base, weak acid and weak base, in which acid reacts with base to convert into corresponding salt. First category, strong acid versus strong base. Simple general example, strong acid HCl can be reacted with strong base sodium hydroxide to formation of salt sodium chloride. First one, in which process the formation of NaCl, which one is dissociated into as a Na plus and Cl minus ion. In which process, what is the condition of this category, strong acid versus strong base? Acid reacts with base, strong acid HCl, as well as sodium hydroxide, strong base, to form as sodium chloride. Which one is further does not hydrolyze to formation of acid as well as base. So this reaction belongs to neutral. The condition is neutral. Second category, strong acid HCl and weak base ammonium hydroxide to convert into corresponding salt ammonium chloride, in which process the formation of NaH4Cl can be dissociated into NaH4 plus Cl minus ion, in which NaH4 plus undergoing hydrolysis to produce into NaH4OH plus excessive formation of H plus ion. So the second category of titration, it belongs to H plus ion concentration is greater than OH minus ion. So second titration, which one carried out? Acidic medium. Acidic means to maintain pH from 1 to 7, 0 to 7, whatever it may be, strong acid versus weak base, it can be shown that acidic medium, in which process the indicator must be employed in acidic indicator. Third category, in case of weak acid as well as strong base, weak acid, acetic acid, strong base, NaOH to convert into corresponding salt, in which dissociated into CH3CO minus and Na plus. The formation of CH3CO minus undergoing hydrolysis to produce into CH3COOH plus excessive formation of OH minus ion. The third category, weak acid versus strong base, it can be produced as excessively produced as OH minus ion concentration is greater than H plus ion. So the titration, third one, weak acid versus strong base, belongs to basic. This type of titration can be carried out by using of indicator, basic indicator. For example, phenolphthalein, it must be employed because of the pH range is 11 to 13. Next one, fourth category, weak acid versus weak base. Weak acid, acetic acid, weak base, ammonium hydroxide to produce into CH3CONH4, which one is dissociated into CO minus and NH4 plus ion, in which process the formation of CH3CO minus and NH4 plus, both of them are undergoing hydrolysis. It produces into CH3COH and OH minus ion. In case of NH4 plus undergoing hydrolyzed to produce into NH4OH and H plus ion. The titration weak acid versus weak base, it can be carried out the formation of H plus ion is equal to OH minus ion. H plus concentration is equal to OH minus ion. So this type of titration, weak acid versus weak base, it belongs to maybe acidic or neutral or base. So this type of titration cannot be employed normal acid base indicator because of it not belongs to acidic, not belongs to basic. Why are neutral? So in case of weak acid versus weak base, by using of indicator cannot be employed normal acid base indicator like phenolphthalein, methyl orange, methyl blue, thymol blue, chrysolite, not employed. In case of such cases, weak acid versus weak base, it can be employed for a special category of indicator, namely called as universal indicator or mixed indicator, also called as multiple range of indicator. Universal indicator. What is meant by universal indicator? Universal indicator particularly employed for a special type of special category of titration can be carried. Normal acid base indicator cannot be employed, then it can be used universal indicator. Universal indicator is nothing but it can be covers the pH range from 3 to 11. Universal indicator can be covers the pH range from 3 to 11. That means it can be covers both acidic as well as basic. Universal indicator, also called as mixed indicator, also called as multiple range of indicator. These indicators can be prepared by using of various acid-base dyestuffs can be mixed. For example, methyl orange, methyl blue, thymol blue, chrysolite and phenolphthalein. All of them 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 grams. All of them are different acid-base dyestuffs can be mixed to prepare as a single indicator. That is called as mixed indicator, also called multiple range of indicator, also called as universal indicator. It can be covers both acidic as well as basic range. So the normal acid base indicator cannot be employed. Such type of titration, that particularly weak acid versus weak base, it can be used a special category of indicator that is called as universal indicator, also called as mixed indicator, also called as multiple range of indicator. In such type of titrations cannot be carried out normal acid base indicator. So this by using of this universal indicator, by cannot be given sharp end point because of it can be shows that both acidic as well as basic nature. So cannot be give sharp end point by using of a special category of indicator, that is the fourth category. These are the topics, particularly 4 categories can be involved in case of acid base titration, namely called as that is strong acid strong base, strong acid weak base, as well as weak acid strong base, and finally 4th category weak acid versus weak base. These are the. Thank you.